how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you how an aggregator component is implemented in a Spring integration application. A bonus tip, are you in a hurry to learn Spring integration? Well, I have good news for you all who want to understand the fundamentals of Spring integration. Check out the Udemy course link in description and you can access all the Spring integration training videos in just one click. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Mr. Kek so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Open Spring Integration project in Eclipse IDE. Step 1. Let's see the controller code. Okay, so we had written code for splitter. The message flows from get manager list of controller to get manager list of gateway. Then to the split message of service. Let's run the application. Open Postman. And run the old request for manager list. We can see how we got all the three outputs: Amar, Akbar, Anthony. Step 2. Let's write the service code. In employee service class, let's add the code for aggregator. Add and update the comment. Now, what is an aggregator? Basically a mirror image of the splitter. The aggregator is a type of message handler that receives multiple messages and combines them into a single message. Now, define an aggregator method get all managers with return type as message of string. And also pass a messages parameter of type list of message string. Now, add @aggregator annotation on top of the method and import it. Pass an input channel as manager's channel. And an output channel as output channel. Now, update the output channel of splitter method to manager's channel. So the request goes from the output channel of splitter service to the input channel of aggregator service. Now let's implement the aggregator code. Add a for loop on the list of messages received. Let's use a string joiner to combine the messages. Create an object of string joiner. Let's pass delimiter as ampersand, prefix as opening square bracket, and suffix as closing square bracket. Add the message payload to the joiner inside the for loop. Now convert the combined message to a string and add a sysout. Copy the message builder code from above. Update new message as updated message. Pass payload as combined message string, that is managers. Return the updated message and save the file. Hence, the get mapping calls the gateway method and the message goes from request channel of gateway to the input channel of service, and then finally returns the message as the output using the output channel. Step 3. Open Postman tool. Hit the same REST API for manager list. Click on send button. You can see we got the combined message Amar Akbar Anthony in the output with delimiter as ampersand and covered within the square braces. Now go back to Eclipse. You can see in console log we have got managers Amar and Akbar and Anthony from splitter method and received message from the output channel Amar and Akbar and Anthony from aggregator method. So we have seen how aggregator component is implemented in a Spring integration application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.